Abagavana korwase kiombe kia Lake Region Economic Block bakorawa n'umunyakerogobo y'ubigoro umugavana we county ya Kisumu Anyang' Nyong'o nigo bagendrete n'umusangirekano bwo kwanira igoro y'obutukano bwabero bokoenekiwa ase obo osasobore mibwemesi ane na search company chesukari umusangirekano gendrete gokorekana aime ye county ya Kakamega oyo kagaire koira amatukabere litkoria rero nabo igoro litkoria angyo nigo omugavana we county ya Kisumu abereka gokwanira egati yari abarengete ko korigereya mono aso musangirikano uyo eriyo kwenekia na banyorire richiburyo gokoreme cyande yabere ege kwenekiwa.
I am glad to note that in the program we shall have an opportunity to unpack the task force recommendations as we craft a sustainable way forward. As leaders, we wholly supported the proposals contained in the report and committed that one, we shall invest in an integrated industrial park anchored in the Lake region, in the sugar industry. And I'm glad Yuma Muhwana is here, who is the boss of aggregation and industrial parks. We need an integrated industrial park anchored in the Lake region in the sugar industry. We shall support the establishment of an independent sugar industry research station for agronomical research and vouch for the reinstatement of the sugar levy fund to support research. We will urge the national government to cede state-owned factories to the private sector for efficiency, profitability, and sustainability. Government is bad in doing business. Let us give business to the private sector. Let us create infrastructure. Let us have good policies, financial and otherwise. Let us make sure the environment of doing business in sugar is enabled by the government, not